everyone, welcome back our YouTube channel. Today this video will be amazing. Today I will show you how to fix App Store asking for you password when you download some application in your App Store on iPhone and iPad. Now guys, today I will show you how you can download easily an application without password. You do not skip any part of this video. If you skip any part of this video, you will not be able to fix this problem. Now let me show you. Here is our App Store. We try to download any application like the TikTok. We try to download TikTok, and we try to download the TikTok. You are getting Talk application from your App Store, but unfortunately he get without enter Apple ID password. So if you want to download any application without password, if you just follow our instructions, so let's get started without wasting any time. Now guys, you can see here is my iPhone 8. So let's get this method working. Our device process is same. Okay, now what you need to do, first of all, open the setting, go to screen time, and then scroll down. Here are content and privacy restrictions. Simply press her and every go, and then iTunes app and App Store, and then require password. Always require, do not require. I am already do not require. You will be should do not require. Okay, you will get simply you will get this option, required a password when you download some application from your app store. So simply you just like do not require a password for additional purchase after making a purchase with Apple ID from the iTunes and App Store. Now once you can do this guys, now remove from here, and then let me show you. We try to download TikTok application from App Store. This is working or not. So here is application guys. When you try to download this application in your App Store, you can see you will easily download application any app from your App Store without internet password. This is a method guys. If you any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.